Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with the annoying file unreadable error on Google Drive, you're not alone. This issue can pop up for various reasons, like sync problems, file corruption, or even simple glitches, especially as we head into 2025 with updated features. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through quick and easy fixes that should get you back on track in no time. First things first, let's start with the basics. Make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or spotty connection is often the culprit, so try restarting your router or switching to a different network. If that doesn't work, open Google Drive in a new browser tab and refresh the page. Sometimes, a simple refresh does the trick. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, these can build up and cause conflicts. Head to your browser settings, find the Clear History option, and select Cache and Cookies to delete. Now, check the file permissions. Right-click the file in Google Drive, go to Share, and ensure you have the right access. If it's a shared file, ask the owner to verify their end. Another effective step is to use the Google Drive desktop app. Download it if you haven't already, sign in, and see if the file opens there. It often bypasses web-based issues. If the file is corrupted, try downloading it to your computer, then re-upload it to Google Drive. This can resolve any upload errors from the get-go. For more advanced users, open Google Drive in incognito mode to rule out extensions interfering. And always, keep your apps and browser updated to the latest versions, as Google frequently rolls out fixes. Remember, if none of these work, Google's Help Center has detailed guides, or you can contact their support. There you have it. Simple steps to fix that pesky error and get back to productivity. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.